I might check out the rave tonight. Put your arms around me, baby. I just wanna fly.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I recorded this summer sunset look. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So to get started, I'm going to go into the NYX single shadow, and this is the yellow color in the color STFU. I'm going to go into the Morphe M330 brush, and this is the blending tapered brush. So I already have concealer on my eyes from when I was putting my makeup on. So just make sure you do start off with the wet base. And I'm going to put that yellow right into my crease. So going into my Morphe palette, this is the 350M palette, and this is what it looks like inside. And I'm going to be using this orangey color right here, and I'm going to put it right on top of that yellow color. I like to mix those two together so it's not too yellowy but it's not too peachy. So as you see, it'll kind of give you like a sunset look with the yellow on top. And then this gently in the bottom. So the more you sit here and blend the colors out, the better your shadow is going to come out. It's not going to be as rough. It's going to come out really smoothly, and the colors are just going to fall into each other. So back into the Morphe palette, I'm going to make it kind of darker in the center of my eye. So I think I'm going to use like these colors right here. And I'm going to use the Morphe G14 eyeshadow brush and just set it in the center of my eye. So going back into the Morphe palette, I'm going to grab this orange color, but I'm also going to get this orange red color and work it up into my crease. So I did go ahead and complete the other eye, and as you see, it does look like a sunset look, and all it is missing is some lashes. I usually wouldn't add liner with this look because I feel like it's very summery and glowy, and I just don't want to add any blackness to it. I just want to put on a nice set of lashes on top and just make the eyes really pop more. So I'm going to be using the Ritz Republic, and these are the Luxurious Mink Collection lashes. And they're so cute. It says a wink of stay, and these are in the style Seductive. They have really nice lashes. They're actually really cheap. I think these were only like 13 bucks, but they are like really good quality and they are really nice. So I went ahead and just put some mascara on. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm going to apply the eyelashes. So now that the top part of my eye is done, I'm going to go ahead and bring it under to my under eye part. So I'm going to do that same shadow. You can do all three. I think I might just do a little bit of a dark and then orange underneath. So I'm just going to go underneath. And I'm going to make an eyeliner effect. Eyes are all done and set. I'm just going to go in and finish the rest of my face. I'm just going to contour and bronze my face up a little bit. I'm just going to go into the Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit and just apply that to my cheeks. And I kind of just dip in all three and place it on. So while that sets, I'm just going to go into the Becca highlighter. This is in the color Champagne Pop. So it's like a little sample size, and I think it's so cute, and I feel like this is like legit all you need. Like, you don't need anything bigger. It's so relaxing. People find it so weird that I'm like in love with highlighter. I think it's so relaxing. It's super shiny too, like Wow. Add some to my nose, to the lips. So with that same highlighter, I'm going to add some to the inner corners of my eyes. And also underneath my brows. Now I'm just going to set the blush and the highlighter. Strong. So while that is setting, I'm just going to go into my lips. So I'm just going to apply a gloss to this look. I just don't want to do like lipstick and it just be too much going on. So I'm going to go in with my favorite lip pencil, and this is the Colourpop Skimpy lip pencil. I'm just going to outline the lips. I'm going to go into the Milani lip color. This is in the color Matte Innocence in the color 60, and it's like the perfect nude lipstick. And to top it off, I'm just going to go into the Revlon gloss. This is in the color 215 Supernatural, and it's like literally one of my favorite lip glosses ever. Okay, and to complete this look, I actually just purchased a new setting spray. This is the iconic London Prep Set and Glow. So this is a water mist glow, and it actually, this is my favorite part. So it does look weird. You just shake it up, and it comes out like that. So it's like all sparkly inside. I'm just gonna bathe in the setting spray. Okay guys, and that completes today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed my summer full face glam. I think it's perfect for date night or when you want to go out with your friends. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.